In front of me is SONY Xperia 17 and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Passwords, Passkeys and Accounts. Then hit Open under Google. Choose Google Password Manager and select any password you wish to get rid of. Enter your screen lock, hit the Delete button and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!